All the saman is in this tempo.
Where is the question that
This looks so pretty. This is our view while we are working.
One more.
Expired है?
15 Jan का.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Impulse Coffee's official YouTube channel. I'm Bonaita, the social media manager.
And I'm Mosha, the head of content, and today we're gonna show you all the moving and the organizing vlog. So we have moved in and we'll roll the clips of moving in right now. Bonaita is packing the final piece. All the boxes are gone. We have found the Christmas decor box and now we'll have to declutter this also. Any thoughts? खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है.
The plants for sure, microwave and printer.
We have 3 clocks.
JBL and woofer. क्या अंदर वाला?
Yही चीज, the stack is there no?
You want that?
समझ गए ना?
मैं समझ गई. इसका ही वो लंबा है ना जिसपे मैं वो डियोर का डब्बा और एक शो पीस
हाँ,
रखती
that is
थी.
also.
तो इधर है ना.
एक इधर है ये. हाँ ये कांच वाला वो अंदर
जो
वाला बोर्ड
bedroom में
वाला.
रखी थी मैंने.
ये कांच वाला है.
हाँ.
ये तो मम्मी को चाहिए ना, मम्मी ने बोला कांच वाला.
जो सोफा पे बैठा है उसको टाइम दिख रहा है और ये लोग भी चेहरे से ऐसा ऊपर देखेंगे तो टाइम दिखेगा ना. फंक्शनली लोग
देखेंगे कैसे लग रहा है पहले. जबरदस्ती will not put.
Sharon is now like
Yes.
don't add anything.
क्या है ये? She's asking. Sneha, what do you do? This is the table we shoot recipes on, Sneha.
It looks different now, it is folded.
In need of boxes, but no, we have so many boxes, but we don't have the perfect size. No, it's the same. नहीं ये पतला है. If this gets folded, it's only this much. What about that frame?
All this is so close to my heart. 905 room is still mine now.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Behind that wardrobe door you can put.
Actually it's Zankhaud. Amit wanted it.
Give it na.
Yeah,
Just
remove
remove
my
the
We can
photos.
paint it black if we want.
Yeah. Remove the photos and give it.
I had bought extra paper prints for this, which they started using as bills rubber. But we need something like this in the house. Where is the question that we put? Anish is going to be so happy that I'm not taking those Alex drawers. उसके मुंह की बत्ती ऐसे लगाई उसको चाहिए कब से और दिए लेके जाएंगे ना मैं होटल बुक करूँ
वो कौन से वो वाले?
हाँ।
तो दे देना उसको.
अब दूंगी ना मैं पहले तक लेके जाऊंगी
White board का क्या करें? उधर जगह नहीं है.
पता ना मैं
हाँ, वहाँ I know, I know.
Good, she's not good.
There's shoes and
905 से they need to take my shoe boxes also. I think you should do some movement.
The whole house is empty.
वो सब है ना, that has to go नीचे.
There's nothing left. We've taken everything. All the saman is in this tempo and it's going to the new office. They're loading it still.
20 minutes later.
We have now started to open boxes and we are arranging everything in the drawers. Moksha and Sneha are arranging all the cutlery.
One box is over, 2 more to go. ये इधर था. Go थोड़ा to the left. Expired है.
15 जन का.
ये सब पीने के पहले चेक करना होता है.
कहाँ से आया वो?
पता नहीं.
पीने के बाद देखा.
मैं पी रही हूँ रोज.
भाई जैन पे
25 है भाई.
मैं पी रही हूँ. उसको हिला बराबर. उसको हिलाया नहीं तो पानी ऊपर रहेगा.
According to Amit, the light is kharab, but the bottle is very pretty, so we should keep it. 2 boxes done. 1 more to go.
हाँ, one more.
ठीक है सर.
Excuse me.
ठीक है चलो.
What is this behavior, Amit?
अपने काम कर खाना भी ना खाए.
पहले काम, उसके बाद.
वो अनपैक कर दिया मैंने बैग.
Oh shit. अभी ये 3rd बॉक्स है. ये सब फ्रिज का सामान है.
ये लास्ट है.
This looks so pretty, and then one cabinet we've almost managed to do.
This is the current situation of the kitchen. Sneha and Satyama unpacking all the crockery, all our glasses, and we are arranging them here in these drawers. Currently this one is empty. We managed to fill a few of them like this one.
A few hours later.
And this is the halat of the kitchen. We are just unwrapping all the cutlery. This is the last box of all our plates and bowls, etc. and all. And we are putting them here in these drawers right here.
The next day.
Why not get those cubbies and like put it in that?
The thing is, इसका ना storage very limited है. इसमें like
So we
वो
माप-
हमारा जो बड़ा box है ना
वो भी फिट नहीं
वो
होता।
fit नहीं आता.
तो माप लेके अगर अपने को
हाँ।
मिल सकता है वो थोड़ा सोच समझ के लेना पड़ेगा. मे बी ऑर्डर ऑनलाइन एंड चेक बिकॉज दिस इज फाइन बट वो एक निकालेंगे तो सब गिरेगा.
Okay, so as you all saw, we've already placed everything according to our needs in the kitchen everywhere. Now we are going to show you all what we've kept where, basically all the glasses and other equipments etc. according to our needs.
So it's gonna be like a tour also for y'all. If you all haven't watched the tour, which is on Sarah's channel, we'll link it so you can go watch that. But this is going to be a more detailed thing where we have placed what and how do we use this and how do we use that. So let's show you all that.
So this is our workstation. Basically this is where we all are sitting from the past few days and started working. We have cabinets where we have a lot of storage area. So starting with the first cabinet. So here on top we have all the items that mostly the ops team requires, and over here we have some of our other props like our wooden trays and our gift boxes, some ice cube trays as well, some impulse tape, basically all packing material and some of our shoot material as well. Moving on to the second one. Over here also, it's not yet organized, we need to call for more organizers, but we have our backdrops, some extension cords and some of our other extra props that we require for our shoots. Also this box has some of our coasters and candles that need to be put into organizers. In the third cabinet also we have a few more props, some miscellaneous items, newspapers, a flower pot as well. So we have a entirely different compartment to put our microwave, and also below it we have a drawer where we just have some bubble wrap and some handbags that we might just require in daily.
That is the view that we can see from the kitchen. How pretty does it look? Over here we have this pull-out drawer where we store our coffee, like the coffee we need for recipes or for drinking, for us to make our coffee. All of the coffees are here. Here's some snacks. So basically this is all snacks. Over here also we have props and hot chocolate and something stored in the impulse jars. Again, upper there are snacks. So basically this is like a very having snacks wala drawer type of a thing. Continuing, here's our fridge that has normal fridge stuff, so you don't need to see what's inside it. It's just normal fridge. And we've just kept our coffee jar, the decor piece that was in the old house over here, and we've decorated it thoda. Moving on to this part, I really love the granite and everyone loves the how it's turned out and how it looks. We really love it. Moving on to the cabinets here. In the first drawer, we have our normal use glasses, the glasses that we use daily. We have our shoot jars. It's basically glasses that we use on a daily basis for shoots as well as drinking coffee. The drawer below it has, again, we have coffee shot glasses that we use for shooting and for shoots. This is basically a shoot drawer. So we have the milk containers that we use. We have shot glasses, we have ice cream scoops, and we have our sippers. What we use for shoot is here. So this drawer is basically, I love how we segregated this. We have knives and scissors here. We have our straws here. We have spoons here, forks here, some miscellaneous stuff, and this is all the utensils you need to cook. So all of that is here. The drawer below that has all the masala stuffs and some of our coasters, normal cooking use. The last drawer over here again has some glasses that we use but not so regularly. So this is the drawer that opens once. So this drawer right here has some plates, bowls and cooking utensils. Basically खाना खाने का सामान है इसमें. And उसके below again it's the same. It's some of our plates and our glasses that we use normally and a chopping board for Satyam. So these are the cabinets that we really wanted to decorate and keep as it is. Like matlab we use it but in a decorative aesthetic way. So we've set it up in an aesthetic way. This is how it looks. We have our full hot chocolate stock over here. There are some cups that belong to Sara over here. And again we have some wine glasses on the top because that is what is used the least. So ekdam upar dala usko. So basically this is a very miscellaneous cabinet because there are a lot of things in it. You will see. So it has medicines, it has sugar, it has coffee, and some of the props that we use for shoot as well. So this is like a very miscellaneous cabinet. This cabinet is very similar to the one we showed you pehle, that we said कि हम लोग को aesthetic रखना था. So this is how it looks. We have a full Pulver Pineapple stock over here. If you haven't shopped for it, go shop for it now. But this is how you can say this is Impulse Coffee's kitchen. Clearly, we have a whole coffee stock over here. We have gift boxes from the previous years as well as our current gift box over here. Jiske piche we have champagne glasses and other glasses that we don't use on a daily basis. And ekdam uppar we have affogato glasses, just again decor pieces. So I think this looks really good. Aise. You can see aise we have lights under for every cabinet. So this is going to be our backdrop. This is how it is going to be. So lighting is amazing over here. We have lighting under the cabinets also. If you're thinking this is a cabinet, no, it's not a cabinet. So basically this goes inside fully like this, and here is our sink and also drinking water tap. So one is the washing utensils tap and one is the drinking water tap where we have our water from, where we fill our bottles from. So this is the sink area and the dustbin areas over here.
Let me take you all to the ops cabinets. We basically keep a lot of inventory at the studio for our use, and even if you want to send it out from here. So if you can see here, these are coffee jars. They're all nicely kept in boxes. The second and the third cabinet has our apparel pieces.
That is how she has stored everything. Very nice. These are all the 4 apparel pieces that we currently have in stock at the studio.
And the fourth cabinet is mostly just bubble wrap to nicely package all of these.
Oh, so much bubble wrap.
Yes. That's it for the ops team.
This is a very cute chandelier that is right on top of our office desk over here. So we all work here and this is our view while we are working. So that was it for the kitchen tour. Small tour but a really fun one. We hope you understood how everything is going to function and you got an in-depth tour about it. So from now on you will get a new backdrop in every video. So if you're excited, leave a yellow heart in the comments below.
Only a last few jars of our purple pineapple coffee is remaining on our website, so go and shop now. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more amazing videos from this backdrop now onwards. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.